a little before. What's up, Dream Chasers? What's up, Wrench Gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple weeks since I made a video. Lots been going on. Had to enjoy Christmas and a New Year's, and then we went to Florida for Dave's birthday because he turns 30 today. So if you guys follow my brother at David Van Voorst, make sure you go to his channel and wish him a happy birthday. Anyways, today's video is about us. We did a lift kit, leveling kit on my Ram 3500 dually. So I kind of want to go over that with you guys, and then we'll go inside and we'll take you guys what it rides like, and then future plans for the truck. In case you guys don't know, this is a 2020 Ram 3500 Limited. So it's got the cool headlights. It is custom wrapped by Illustrious Auto Styling. It's the only person I use. If you guys are interested in getting your cars wrapped, people ship their cars all the time to him. He is the man to go to. But I did the Carli 2.0 commuter kit, and then I added the front sway bar. So this one looks really nice, as you guys can see. And then I did the Fox. These come with the Fox shocks. Now I didn't go with the Kings because I'm not off-roading. So this kit came with new springs, shocks, and then obviously I got the front sway bar, so that way the steering on this is super nice. It was nice before, but now it's extremely nice. And then I didn't do, on these you can do an add-a-leaf kit. I didn't do that, so this one just has the Fox shock in the rear, but it is a lot bigger. You guys saw in the first video, usually it would come up to like here. It is way high, so it looks a little crazy because we need to put some bigger tires on there, but we'll talk about that once we get inside the truck. But let's do a little cold start on the Limited. So let's hop in. Now, couple questions, right? Why did you want to put a leveling kit on this? Ugh. Okay, so first things first is anybody who owns a Ram 3500 or you drove a Ram 3500, you know that they don't ride the greatest. Now, these newer models like the F350, Ram 3500, and whatever Chevy has, I don't know, is 3500, they all ride decent for what they are. They still don't ride great, obviously, compared to like an F250 or a Ram 2500, or comparatively to like a 1500, they ride nothing like it. So obviously the reason for that is because you can tow like 30,000 pounds or whatever, some crazy number. So I wanted to change that out simply because, well, I wanted to ride a little better in town. Now obviously we mostly use this for towing. It's got 7,800 miles, and I would say 7,000 of those miles are probably just straight towing. We've been to OKC, been to Dallas, I think twice. Yeah, 3 times, I think. Anyways, this truck is only, we bought it just for towing. So I love this truck. It's amazing. It's the best truck I ever owned for sure, but I wanted to increase the ride quality. So one thing that you will notice right away when having the Carli kit, which I highly recommend, it's a little more pricey than doing like a spacer or something like that, but it is so nice. The biggest thing that I would recommend is getting the Carli sway bar kit. This thing turns, like, the steering before was good. It is like amazing now. Like, you drive this, it's like driving a Cadillac as far as like the steering is concerned. The steering is incredible. Now, as far as, because I've drove this a little bit, is the ride like completely 180 degrees different? No, but what you'll notice is when you go over like big bumps, it's not like a all over the place. So that's one thing that I really like about this. And the good thing is I didn't lose any towing. So Carli does a really good job with research as far as that goes. There's only 2 kits you should put on your car. One is a Carli, the other one is a Thuron. Anything else, just don't use. So I did a bunch of research. I watched like 40,000 CJC off-road videos because they have really good content. They're straight to the point, straightforward. I actually called them and talked to them, which was super nice. They answered right away and let me know about any questions I have. So I think it looks extremely good. Now, obviously, what am I gonna do for the wheel and tire setup? Well, it's pretty simple. I love the way these 17s look. Now, I'm not gonna be going out and spending a bunch of money and putting 20-inch or 22-inch wheels on this. Number one, the bigger wheel size you go, the worse it's going to ride. So 17 or 18 is going to ride a lot better than a 20 or a 22. That's just what it is. And I want this to ride nice. Like, this is a limited truck. This is an expensive truck. I want it to ride nice. So with that being said, I'm going to keep the stock wheels. And actually, I found two Ram 3500s that use the stock wheels, and they put some 37s on their truck, which I'll drop a picture here. And that's basically the look I'm going for. So I think it looks super clean. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna get some 37s, which I'm waiting to order them, because what I did do is on these Rams, you wanna get some 2-inch spacers. So I didn't buy some cheap spacers. I bought some fairly expensive ones. It was like $500, but they're supposed to be the best ones you can buy. And this, again, this is an expensive truck. I want this truck to last a while. I don't wanna have any issues. So those will be going on the rear. It's gonna help the tires go out and fill up that wheel gap a little bit. And then with the 37s, I don't have to do any cutting, which is super nice, because I asked both guys, I'm like, no, you don't have to do any cutting. Just go with the 37, 12 and a half, 17. As far as tires, I'm gonna try out a Mickey Thompson tire. They have a tire, I can't remember the name, but I'm gonna try that tire. It's got really good reviews. It's a little cheaper than a couple of the other tires are out there. And I love the look of like a mud terrain / all-terrain. I love the way that they look. So the truck is gonna have a pretty nasty stance here in the next couple weeks, but I wanted to give you guys kind of an update on the truck. So shout out to my buddy Joe, who works over at Dale's, who got this installed for me. It rides extremely well. The turning is what I'm really impressed with. You know, because like, obviously I drive a Trackhawk every day. That rides really nice. I still gotta put the airbags on that, but that rides really nice. But comparatively, how the truck rode before and now, big difference. The biggest thing is the turning. I'm telling you, it feels like I'm driving a Cadillac with how easy it is to turn. So that's the update on the truck. Hopefully you guys had a safe, fun holiday. And let me know what you guys think about what those two trucks look like that I posted. I think it's a good idea, I think it's a bad idea, not like it matters, but I'm curious what you guys think. Anyways, hopefully you guys had a safe Christmas, a happy new year. I'm excited for 2021. I'm gonna do another video going over basically my goals for 2021 and how you can set up yourself up for success for next year or for this year. So if you guys want to see that video, give the button a little thumbs up, please. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys supporting. You guys have an awesome day. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. My name's Kevin Van Voris. Make sure you follow me at CaliBoyKev on Instagram and Snapchat. I'm out this bitch.